Welcome to a place where you'll always find great friends, great food, and great fun. After all, it is the home of family fun and famous food. Welcome to DelGrosso's Park.
Over the past weeks, we've been highlighting DelGrosso's, a decades-old amusement park, an Italian-themed water area. And that famous food you just heard about, well, we've learned it's sort of a big deal. I talked again with Director of Marketing and Events, Amy Merkel.
Amy, this is something you don't get to talk a lot about with other parks, the food. The food is a reason to come.
So we're owned by the DelGrosso family, the oldest producing pasta sauce family in the United States, and they're Italians. And if you know anything about Italians, you're not going to leave hungry. They don't want anybody to go away hungry. So there is delicious food all over the park that they pride themselves on, specialty recipes, and just making sure that you have a great Italian experience when you're here.
We also can have that great experience, Spaghetti Wednesday. That sounds like fun.
That's right. So that became a tradition years ago. On Wednesdays, there's a lunch and a dinner time serving in our pavilions up in our picnic grove. And so you can go through the line and enjoy the Italian specialty feature of the week, or spaghetti and meatballs, a family favorite. So that happens every Wednesday. But if you happen to get here and you're visiting us and it's not a Wednesday, don't fear. We have pasta fresca in our Italian themed water park. And that's a pasta bar. You go in and you choose your noodles, you choose the pasta, and then you get to choose the DelGrosso sauce that goes on it. So you can still have a chance to take home that official Italian flavor if it's not a Wednesday.
It is so much fun, so much fun. The amusement rides, they're really family friendly.
That's right. We have a little bit of something for everybody. Over 30 rides and attractions in our ride park. The Herschel Spielman Carousel is the centerpiece of the park. Everybody loves enjoying the carousel and the horse rides. We have Kids Kingdom, which is designed for our younger guests, for those folks to go on, whether it's the Dizzy Dragons or the Wacky Worm, and they can go on those and then wave to mom and dad as they take pictures and enjoy making DelGrosso memories.
And then let's move over to the water park. Maybe we want to hit that even before the rides to cool off in that, the heat of the day, but it's a lot of fun over there.
That's right. You can decide if you're going to hit the Italian themed water park on when you first get to the park, or maybe as you wrap up the day at the park. So there is a lazy river, there are speed slides, there is a Bambini Cove area for our small ones, and the Leaning Tower of Pisa has a water fountain spitting water out. So we also have a big Roman splash bucket that puts down thousands of gallons of water, and so a lot of folks like to be there when the big splash happens. So a lot of fun features at the Laguna Splash Waterpark.
And you know what's great? You really are really close by, and it's a chance for us to see a different part of central Pennsylvania.
That's right. We're only about 2 hours from the heart of Harrisburg there. We're 10 minutes north of Altoona on Interstate 99, just 25 minutes south of State College on Interstate 99. So really a great day trip and an easy trip to make.
One more thing I want to point out, free admission.
Free admission. We are free parking and free admission if you're not entering the water park or riding the rides. So the $31.95, your all-day fun pass, that includes the rides and water. But if you're not going to be entering the gates of the water area or riding rides, it is still a free walk-around park that you can just enjoy the delicious food and enjoy the day.
That's just such a great idea for you to do it that way. Thanks, Amy. Good getting to know DelGrosso's this summer.
We hope to see you here.